Good morning, children. So, in the last session, I had made you explain chapter number 10, verbs plus ing. How to use it, verbs plus ing. So, I hope you have understood in the chapter. So, any sentence without verb is incomplete, that you know. So, the verb complete the sentence. What? Any sentence without verb is incomplete. So, the verb completes the sentence. What we learned yesterday, now we will do this exercise about this verbs plus ing, how to use, how to frame it, how to add ing, all that we had learned. Now we will do this fill in the blanks exercise. When to add ing with the verb. If the sentence is simple present continuous, if the sentence is simple present continuous, after verb we add ing, and if it is a singular noun or pronoun, then we have to add before is, am, he, she, it, if it is in a singular form. But if it is related in nouns and pronouns in plural form, then what we have to add? We have to add are to it with the verbs plus ing. If it is in simple present continuous. So, if the sentence is singular noun and pronoun is, am, he, she, it, all that we use is. But if it is in plural form, noun and pronoun, so are we have to use with the verb plus ing. So, we will do this exercise, children. Fill in the blanks using correct ing forms of the verbs given in the bracket. Fill in the blanks using correct ing form of the verbs given in the brackets. Now, number 1, we'll read Tina. Tina dash in the room. In the bracket it is given sleep. Now, Tina, we are talking about a single person only. About Tina only we are talking about. What Tina is doing? Tina क्या कर रही है? Tina dash in the room. So, what will you write? Tina is. What you will write? Is sleeping. S-L-E-E-P-I-N-G. Sleeping. Tina is sleeping in the room. 2 number, they dash play cricket. Now over here you can see they is what? It is in a plural form. It is talking about many people. So what will you write? They are playing. They are playing cricket. They are playing cricket. Number 3, we dash read. In the bracket it is given and books. We is also plural form, books is also written in a plural form. So with we, what we will join, what will add the verbs, helping verb, it will be A-R-E. We are reading. So it will be R-E-A-D-I-N-G. We are reading books. We are reading books. 4th number, she dash cook food. So over here she is used for singular noun pronoun. So what will you use over here? Helping verb? Yes, is is. She is cooking. What she is doing? She is cooking, and with the verb we have used ing. So she is cooking. 5 number, the birds fly in the sky. Now over here you can see birds. After B-I-R-D, bird, S is added. So it is in plural form. So what we will write? Come on, tell me. For plural, what we will write? The birds are. A-R-E. Birds are flying. F-L-Y-I-N-G. The birds are flying in the sky. 6 number. Amit dash an orange. In the bracket it is given. Now we are talking about only one person, that is Amit, single person. So what will you write? Amit is eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. Amit is eating an orange. Amit is eating an orange. Number 7. Lena and Hina dash the plants. Now you can see here two persons are there. More than one person, two persons we are talking about. So what it is? Lena and Hina. So what will you write over here? Come on. Yes, Lena and Hina are planting. Planting. Lena and Hina are planting the plants. Lena and Hina are planting the plants. Yes. 8 number. Diya dash a song. Again Diya is a single person. So what we will say? Diya is singing a song. S-I-N-G-I-N-G. Diya is singing a song. Yes. 9 number. Now what we'll write? 9 number. Roma dash cut the cake. So what we'll write? Again Roma is a single only. So we are talking about only Roma. So Roma is cutting. C-U-T-T-I-N-G. Roma is cutting the cake. Roma is cutting the cake. Number 10. The children dash loudly. So what will you write? The children. Children is again a plural form. So what will you write? The children are laughing. L-A-U-G-H-I-N-G. The children are laughing loudly. So Lena and Hina are planting the plants. Diya is singing a song. Roma is cutting the cake. 10 number. The children are laughing loudly. Now we'll go to the 11 number. My mother dash in the garden. So what will you write? My mother is walking. W-A-L-K-I-N-G. Walking in the garden. Here walk is there. So I add ing so it becomes walking. My mother is walking in the garden. 12. He dash in factory. So he is work is there. So what will you write? W-O-R-K-I-N-G. He is working in the factory. 13. Sagar dash paint a picture. So Sagar is painting. P-A-I-N-T-I-N-G. Painting a picture. Sagar is painting a picture. We dash watch TV now. So we is again a plural form. So what will you write? V-A-R-E. We are watching. W-A-T-C-H-I-N-G. We are watching TV now. We are watching TV now. Number 15. Maya dash cry. So what will you write? Maya is crying. C-R-Y-I-N-G. Maya is crying. So once again we will read all the sentences, children. Number 1. Tina is sleeping in the room. Number 2. They are playing cricket. Number 3. We are reading books. Number 4. She is cooking food. Number 5. The birds fly in the sky. Number 6. Amit is eating an orange. Number 7. Lena and Hina are planting the plants. Number 8. Diya is singing a song. Number 9. Roma is cutting the cake. Number 10. The children are laughing loudly. Number 11. My mother is walking in the garden. Number 12. He is working in the factory. Number 13, Sagar is painting a picture. Number 14, we are watching TV now. And number 15, Maya is crying. So dear children, complete this work in your grammar notebook. Dear children, complete this work in your grammar notebook with neat and good handwriting.